Good morning, one and all. Today we will discuss about the mirror equation. In previous class, we had discussed about the relation between the focal length and radius of curvature. So today, we will discuss the mirror equation. So here we are consider a concave mirror. So this concave mirror pole is P and F is the principal focus and C center of curvature. Okay, when a ray, so when we have taken here the object AB, okay, it is perpendicular upward direction to the principal axis AB, the height is H. Okay, so from AB the three rays are incident on concave mirror. So first one is parallel to the principal axis. So first ray is incident on concave mirror parallel to the principal axis, and it is reflect back it is passed through the principal focus. Okay, second ray is incident at pole and it is reflect back same angle, so it is incident ray and reflector ray. So another ray, third ray, is passed through the center of curvature and reflect back as same angle. Okay, so it is reflect back and the same direction, so opposite direction on the same line. Okay, here make certain image between center of curvature and the focus. The image is B dash and A dash. Okay, A dash B dash is the image. Okay, it is principal focus, it is center of curvature, so it is pole. So the distance between the pole and principal focus is focal length. The distance between image and pole is image length. The distance between object and pole is object distance U, image distance V, and F is the focal length. Okay, here, so we consider here the rays are the ray from the point which is parallel to the principal axis, AM. Okay, this ray is AM, and the reflected ray may goes through the focus of the mirror. Okay, this is principal focus, it is passed through the focus of the mirror. And second ray, the ray passing through the center of curvature center of curvature of a concave mirror ACN. The reflected ray simply retraces the path is CA dash A, or it is A dash CA, or it is N, for example point N. So N, A dash and A, the path is. And third one, the ray passing through the focus of the concave mirror are appearing to pass through the focus concave mirror, and the reflected ray is parallel to the principal axis. The reflected ray is parallel to the principal axis. Okay, so here the incident ray at any angle at a pole, the reflected ray follows the laws of reflection. So here the incident ray is incident at the pole, and for example it is angle theta. Reflected ray is also angle theta. So reflected ray through the A dash. Okay, now we consider here from the diagram. So here from diagram, the two right angle triangles, so two right angled triangles so that is A dash B dash F, A dash B dash F, this part, and also A dash B dash P. So here are MPF. So here MPF. So here MPF are similar triangles. Okay, so it is like a triangle, right angle triangle. So because the ray is paraxial ray, so when paraxial ray, the angle is very small, and also so pole and the perpendicular distance, these are coincide, so the distance is small. So for similar triangles rule, so here B dash A dash divided by the length is divided by MP or PM, the distance between the MP or PM equals to, so here B dash F B dash F divided by FP. FP means B dash A dash divided by, so these are parallel to each other, AM and BP parallel to each other, so then this also is parallel to each other, same height. So PM equals to the distance equals to, this is a distance, this is a distance equals this distance also equal. So PM equals to BA, it equals to B dash F divided by FP. So this is equation number 1. Since here, so you can write since PM equals to BA. So now triangles. So here right angle, triangles. So here B dash A dash P, okay, B dash A dash P, and another triangle BAP are similar triangles, similar. So from similar triangles rules, B dash A dash divided by BA equals to B dash P divided by BP. Okay, B dash P by BP. So this is equation number 2. So from equation number 1 and equation number 2, so what is equation number 1? Equation number 1 is here. So B dash A dash by BA. So here B dash A dash by BA. So then from equation number 1 and equation number 2, so we can get, so here B dash F divided by FP equals to B dash P divided by BP. Okay, so here that implies B dash F is nothing but B dash P minus FP, we can write. So B dash F equals to B dash P minus FP divided by FP equals to B dash P divided by BP. Okay, so now we can take B dash P. So B dash P is nothing but here. So B dash P is the image length, image distance, and FP is the focal length, and BP is object distance. So we can write here for from sign convention, from sign convention. So here BP equals to minus U. So B dash P equals to minus V, and FP equals to minus F, because the incident ray is left side to right side. The distances are taken, all distances are taken from left side to right side, so all are negative. So we can substitute these distances in above equation. B dash P equals to minus V, FP equals to minus F, minus into minus plus F divided by minus F equals to B dash P equals to minus V divided by BP equals to minus U. So here minus minus gets cancelled. So when we have taken here negative is common, so then v minus f divided by f equals to v by u. Okay, here v by f minus 1 equals to v by u, and v by f equals to minus 1 is gets right side, plus 1 1 plus v by u. So from this equation 1 by f equals to v is taken right side, so 1 by v into 1 plus v by u. So here 1 by f equals to multiplied with 1 by v, so 1 by v plus 1 by v into v by u, and here v gets cancelled, so then here 1 by f equals to 1 by u plus 1 by v. So this equation is called as the mirror equation. The mirror equation of concave mirror or convex mirror. So this is the 1 by f equals 1 by u plus 1 by v. So here what is linear magnification? Magnification is nothing but the image size is above is greater than the object height, or it is less than object height. It is called the magnification. Magnification is more or less. Okay, the height is less or more. So linear magnification definition is the ratio of the height of the image to the height of the object. So here in this diagram we consider the height of the object is h and height of the image is h dash. Okay, the ratio of the height of the image to the height of the object, so it is the linear magnification is denoted as m equals to height of the image h dash by h. So this is equation number, what is equation number 2. So now in triangles, in right angle triangles, a dash b dash p, and so a dash p and ab p are similar triangles. Already we have discussed similar. So then we can write b dash a dash divided by ba equals to, so here b dash p divided by bp. Okay, here what is a dash b dash height of this image. So height is taken downwards minus h dash by upward direction it is positive, h equals to b dash p is b dash p equals to it is minus v divided by bp equals to minus u. So here negative negative it gets cancelled. So then h dash by h equals to minus v by u. So here h dash by h is nothing but h dash by h equals to linear magnification m equals to h dash by h equals to minus v by u. So this is linear magnification equation. So here linear magnification is greater than 1, then the height of the image h dash is greater than h, or m is less than 1, then h dash is less than h, the size of the image is less than object size. So when here m equals to 1, so the size of the image equals to size of the object, height of the image equals to height of the object. So there is no linear magnification. Linear magnification equals to 1. Okay, here in the above equation, so above diagram, in this diagram, so what is linear magnification? Linear magnification is the size is decreases, the height of the image size is decrease. So then linear magnification is, so what is linear magnification is m is less than 1. So because height of the image is less than height of the object. Okay. So see here two diagrams. This is concave mirror. So it is principal focus, center of curvature C, and this is the principal axis. When we have taken the object AB is between pole and principal focus. Okay, the object is taken, the object is kept in between pole and focus. So then what happened here, the reflector ray is like here, reflector ray is moves, the image is formed, virtual image is formed, so larger, and so it is erected image and larger image is formed. So this is virtual image and erected, and linear magnification is greater than 1. So because height of the image, what is linear magnification? M equals to h dash by h. Height of the image is more than height of the object. So here it is greater than 1. So here we consider the convex mirror. In convex mirror, the object size is AB and image is formed another side, it is smaller, and virtual image is formed, smaller and virtual image is formed. So here linear magnification, here also virtual, erected, and linear image is formed. Linear magnification is less than 1. So because of height of the image divided by height of the object is less than 1. Okay, a small size of image is formed. So this is about the mirror equation and the equation for the linear magnification. Thank you.